Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this today's LeetCode today problem. Count days without meetings. So we are given with integer days representing total number of days and employees is available for work starting from day 1. You are also given 2D array meetings of size. Meetings of I is equal to start I and end I inclusive. That means if start I is 1 and end I is 3, then the employee works for day 1 in day 1, day 2 and day 3. That's what inclusive mean. Now, return the count of days when the employee is available for work but no meetings are scheduled. The meetings may overlap. So, let me take by giving an example first. Imagine we are having meetings in days something like 1, 2, 5. Now, there is another case that I have meeting in 2, 3. So, the total number of days are given something like days, days, wait, days are equal to 6 and 1 to 5 and 2 to 3 are given as meetings. Let me tell you what are the conditions that I need to get so that I will not be getting the meetings. Now, let me take numbers from 1 to 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So here 1 to 5 is the first meeting, right? 1 to 5 is the first meeting. So let me get 1 to 5. Now, what is the previous meeting? Previous meeting which is started at 1. So, previously the meeting is started at day 1. That means previous meeting started day is 1 and also the previous end. That means in a meetings 1 to 5. So, previously meeting day was started at 1 and previously the meeting days was ended at 5. Now, let me tell you here 2 comma 3. Here 2 comma 3 is something like here. Now, what I need to do when I have 1 to 5, I would do one thing. I would return, so days minus currently my meeting. Currently, here my meeting will be held on current end. Current end minus current start. Minus current start plus 1. Wait a second. Current start plus 1. Plus 1. Why plus 1? Because 5 minus 1 will give me 4 plus 1 because 1 is included again. That's why current end minus current start plus 1 are the number of days which are scheduled for meeting. So I would remove those days from whole given number of days. So if I do that, 6 minus 5 minus 1 plus 1, 5 minus 1 plus 1 will give me 5. So totally 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 is the only left out meeting till now. Now I have 2 comma 3. Where does this 2 comes? It is here. Where does this 3 comes? It is here. So that's why it is important to maintain previous start and previous end. So my first condition is clear. If previous, sorry, current start is less than or is equal to previous end and also current end is less than or equal to previous end, then and then skip this. I would skip this part. I would skip this part. Now I have another thing to do here. Now I have this 5 and 7, but I have 1 comma 3. But you said 5 comma 7 would be here and 1 comma 3 is here. But if current start is less than or is equal to previous end, this will be violated. So that's why it is important to sort our given meetings. So if I sort this, I would get something like 1 comma 3, wait a second, 1 comma 3, and also 5 comma 7, and also 9 comma 10. These are the meetings. Now let me tell you what is the first meeting. It is 1 comma 3. So for 1 comma 3, let me make the meetings 1 comma 3. So my days, total days are given as 10. So 10 minus 1 comma 3 is current end minus current start plus 1. 3 minus 1 plus 1 is 3. 10 minus 3 would give me 7. Now I have 5 comma 7. So the first I is equal to 0. Here I is equal to 0. This would become my current start, current start, current start, and also this would give become my current, sorry, it would become previous start, previous start, and here it would become previous end, previous end. Now I have 5 comma 7. So here 5 comma 7 is not coming under this condition. If current start is less than or equal to previous end, current end is less than or equal to previous end. If so, I would skip this part. But if not, I have another thing to do. What is the thing? If so, there would be no condition, so that I would do days minus is equal to current end minus current start plus 1. So after that, what would be my current previous end and previous start? Previous start would be current start. Previous end would be current end. So this is how you solve this problem. But it is not over till now. 7 minus 5, if I remove 3 days, it would become 4. Now I have 9 comma 10. It is also doesn't come under this condition if current start is less than or equal to previous end and current end is less than or equal to previous end. So this would be executed. Days minus is equal to current end minus current start. So if I remove 2 days from 4, I would return 2 at the end. But there is another thing which there might be an overlapping. Now let us see what it would be. Here I have one, if I sort this firstly, in the first step, I would get 1 comma 3 and also 2 comma 4. So first thing I would take 1 comma 3. Now if I take 1 comma 3, this is I is equal to 0. So my previous start, this would be my previous start, and this would be my previous end. Now I have the second thing 2 comma 4. Now if I make the same mistake like days minus is equal to current end minus current start plus 1, then I am removing this again. These days are removed again. So instead of that, I would add another condition. If current start is less than or is equal to previous end. So if current start is less than or is equal to previous end, then I need to do something like this. Current start 2 is less than or is equal to previous end. Even if it is here, then I need to do something. So my current start would be coming from here. It would be coming from here, not from here. So if I remove these two, I would be removing the days another time. So that's why my days would be start from previous end plus 1. So if current start is less than or is equal to previous end, then current start will be previous end plus 1. This would be my current start. Now I think there should be another thing, like here current start is changed, but I have 2 comma 4. So at this point the previous end should also be changed from here to here. So at this point of time I need to do something like, wait a second, previous end would be current end. Now after that I would remove days minus is equal to current end minus current start plus 1. So this is how you solve this problem. So nothing more than this. You should be placing this before the this condition need to be placed here. So this will be our total algorithm, right? This will be the total algorithm. If current start is less than or equal to previous end, current start is equal to previous end plus 1, and here, right, right here. So days minus is equal to, if these two conditions are not satisfied, this would be our part. And also here it should be, if I is equal to 0, it would be our current start and current end. So let me go through this example where many of people are getting the same error. So let me go through that example first. So this is the test case. Let me solve this by using my algorithm. So before that, let me show you how this code works. So here current start is less than or equal to previous end, and current end is also less than or equal to previous end. Then continue, skip this part. Current end is less than or equal to previous end, then current start is equal to previous end plus 1, and days are removed. And then previous end is equal to current end. And also, sorry, I have forgotten to place continue at the end. Continue, that means we are skipping after that without executing this part. Now let me tell you by sorting this. Firstly, if I sort this, firstly 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, and then 3 comma 4, and then 3 comma 8, 3 comma 4, and then 3 comma 8. So after that 4 comma 8. Now I have the first thing, which is 2 comma 5. So for 2 comma 5 I would place this here, and I would mark previous start and previous end is here at this point. Now I have 3 and 4. This would be executed if current start is less than or equal to previous end is 5. Current end is less than or equal to previous end is 5. So 3 and 4 are also lesser than 5. So skip this part. We go through the second index, 3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8. Here current start is less than or equal to previous end is 5. So current start would be previous end plus 5. So current start would be previous end plus 1, means 5 plus 1 would be 6. Days minus is equal to current end minus current start plus 1. So previously I have removed 4 days from 8. If I remove 4 days from 8, it would become 4. Now here 6 would be the current start and current end is 8. So I am removing these 3 days. I am removing these 3 days, then I would get 1. Then I have to continue after that. Then I have 4 comma 8. So here previous start is still here, and our previous end is changed to 8. If you see, previous end is equal to current end previously. Now days minus is equal to something here, but 4 and 8 are lesser than or is equal to previous, and previous end is 8. So skip this part. So at total I have only 1 day remaining without any meeting. So this is how you solve this problem. If you like this video, do share it to friends and do subscribe to my channel. You get the code link in the description, the submission in the description. And also, if you have any queries, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Thank you.